Hello, hello. Mayroon pa ditong shrimp skewer, guys. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung how I season my shrimp. So, I will season just it with olive oil. Ayan, guys, all over it. And then, we were gonna crack some fresh ground black pepper. Ayan, all over the shrimp. And then, season it with a little salt. Konti lang, dahil lalagyan pa natin yan ng spices. So, meron ako ditong spices na meron siyang pepper din, salt, at saka cumin, chili powder, paprika, cayenne, oregano. Yan po yung mixture ng ating spices. Ayan. So, yan guys, iset aside lang natin siya at i-grill po natin siya. Ayan, look at that. Really fresh shrimp. Jumbo shrimp. Ayan guys. So anyway, kasi dito magla-lunch yung aking mga anak. So, let's guys, come with me. I-grill natin siya sa labas.